Hi guys, so if you missed class on Tuesday, January 14th, when we talked about storyboarding and the different camera angles and shots, this is a video you want to watch. So thinking about our film project, you guys are either going to end up creating storyboards or you're going to create actual film. So we're going to look at how to format those right now. So we got these sheets. These are just examples of storyboards. So a storyboard is a way to save time with planning because it allows your group to kind of plan exactly what they want to shoot. It allows it so that everybody in your group has the same vision of what you're actually be filming. And then when you actually go to film, it makes it easier to film and it makes it easier to edit because you know exactly what your shots are. So for example, I'm going to do a shot or a film where we have a mean teacher working with a student. So I would probably, in the first shot, maybe do a wide shot of Huntley Middle School so we know what is going on, like where we're at. Then I would do a shot of, let's say, Mr. Honeyman entering the classroom. Then I would do another shot of Mr. Honeyman starting to talk to the class. And then I would do a shot from one of the students in the front row looking up at me as a way of showing how big and intimidating I am. So even though that was only 10 seconds of whatever film it was still 4 shots, probably even more when we actually do it. This is what we need to do in order to make sure that we can get every shot that we need so that when you edit it, you don't have to go back and do more filming. So here's an example of a professional storyboard from Jurassic Park. This one goes down. This is a part where they're climbing through the vents. Here, so we have a shot of the vents. Then we have inside the vents of them crawling. Then we have the raptor jumping up and hitting one of the kids while they're walking. Then a different angle of that raptor and the kid. Then we have a shot of the man kicking the raptor, a shot of the raptor being kicked, and so on and so forth. So even though this is really like 15 seconds of filming, it's still 8 different shots that they got to do. So here's a little more close-up one. This is from a different scene where they are hiding from the raptors in the kitchen. So it says they're hiding at the end of the aisle behind the raptor, and behind the raptor appears. Then here's a shot of the raptors entering. They use a low angle shot here because the raptors are kind of intimidating, scary villains in this movie. So they shoot them from lower because it makes them look more powerful. Then we've got the shot of the kids crawling around a corner and trying to hide from the raptor. So it says that they're panning the camera, moving it sideways as the raptor starts to poke their head through the counter. Now, if you want to watch this film, it's just like a 3-minute part. Just Google the Jurassic Park raptor kitchen scene, and you can see a lot of these shots in action. The other thing you could do besides a storyboard is a script. So if you are doing the script, in the center of the page, right here, we got the character's name in all caps. Then we have what the character says. Down here, we have this transition scenes for us. So it says back to, and then this says interior of the kitchen. So now we know exactly what setting we need to use. Then we've got the character, what they say, the next character, what they say, centered again. And then down here all the way on the left, we've got the character actions. So if you format yours exactly like this, you'll know everybody in your group will know the order that people are speaking, what they need to say, where they're saying it, and what they're doing while they're saying it. So that's what filmmakers do in order to kind of plan out what they're doing. I'm gonna make another example or another video to show you guys different kind of shot angles and shot types. So for now, but if you miss class, check out the next video too. Thanks.